Well, hello, everybody. It's Ronnie with Whip and Chain. I got a beautiful pattern here for you. I am calling this the Winter Snuggles pattern. It's a 4-row repeat. It works up actually pretty fast, and it's beautiful. And this is the front. And look at the back, the textured. If you have children that are tactile, this is amazing blanket. You can put it on either way and they can enjoy the feeling of it. It is, once you understand it, the one side that counts a tiny bit different, but I'm going to go over all that with you to make sure you stay on cue with this pattern, but it works up beautiful. It's so nice and it's stretchy, see? And this could be a wonderful scarf, blanket. You can make anything out of this that you would like. It's beautiful. So let's dive into it. I am using stash yarn. I'm also using a 5mm crochet hook. And you can do this pattern in thinner and thicker yarn. Just try to follow the suggested hook size. And like I said, I'm using stash yarn. For some reason, this seems to be my go-to right now. I love this color. It is called, I think it's bubblegum. Yeah, that's why I like it, called bubblegum. And believe it or not, I'm not a bubblegum person. So the stitch count is in multiples of 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, until you get the width that you want, and then just add 2. So let's do a chain. I am going to do let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 5, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. All right, and now we add 2. Okay. So third stitch from the hook, 2, 3. I'm going to use the back loops because that's what I enjoy using. We're going to put half double crochets all the way down, starting in a third chain. So we're going to do half double crochets in every single stitch going down. And I'm going to meet you at the end, so it's just half double crochet in every stitch. You did the third chain from the hook. Okay. So that's what we got with our half doubles. So the next row, we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to skip the next stitch. The next stitch, back loop only, do a double crochet. Yes, the starter chain was a chain 3. So we're going to chain 1, skip 1, next one, double crochet, back loop only. Chain 1, skip 1, back loop only, double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, back loop only, double crochet. We're going to do this all the way down. your last stitch, do the full stitch. Okay. See how you have the chain 3? Remember, you skipped one over here. Okay. So now we're going to turn. We're going to chain 1, and in that first stitch, do a single crochet. Then do a single crochet right around the chain 1 area, and then do a single crochet and a double crochet. So you don't do this all the way down. 1 single crochet everywhere into chain 1s and then top of the double crochets. So do that all the way down, and I'll meet you at the end here. Okay, on this row, after you do your single crochet on the last top of the double crochet, do not go in the gap. Go in the chain here and do your single crochet. Okay. All right, so now we're going to turn, and that's what it should look like so far. So now we're going to chain 3, 2, and 3. Wrap your hook. Now keep this loose. See these bars that we did? These double crochets, we're going to wrap around them. So wrap your hook, go around the bar like you're doing a front post, and wrap and come up. You're going to do that 3 times. Wrap, go around, that's 2, wrap, and go around, that's 3. Then you're going to wrap your hook. You're going to go through all of them except the last one. Then wrap and go through the last 2. So in the back, you're going to skip that stitch where we did our wrap, and in the next stitch, do a double crochet. So we're going to wrap, we're going to go to the next bar. 3 times, remember? 1, 2, and 3. Wrap, go through them all, wrap, go through 2. Just pulling some yarn out. Skip that next one, and the following one, do a double crochet. Wrap, 1, 2, and 3. Skip one, the next one, do a double crochet. Let's do it again together. I want to make sure your guys are good. Wrap, 1, 2, 3, skip one, and the next one, double crochet. 1, 2, 3. All right, do that to the end, and I'll meet you there. Okay, after you do your last one, you skip that 1 stitch in the back, you do a double crochet, and then you do have 1 stitch left. Put a double crochet right in there. And that is exactly what I was talking about. Okay? So now it's a repeat. So what you do is you turn, you chain 3, and then you put half doubles, next stitch, all across. Half double. So we're going to put half doubles all the way across, like normal, and I'll meet you at the end. Remember, with the half doubles, make sure you put your half double in that chain to keep your stitch count. Okay? So the half double, then the next row would be the chain 3, then the back loop double crochet, chain 1. I'll do that with you just so you remember. So it would be chain 3, 2 and 3. You skip that next stitch and you do your back loop, double crochet, and you chain 1, and you just skip back loop, and you just keep doing that. Okay, and then after that back loop double crochet, then it's a chain 1 and single crochet, and then it's the chain 3 and the wraps. So it's just repeating half double crochet, the chain 3, back loop double crochet, chain 1, and so forth. Yeah, chain 3, skip a stitch, back loop double crochet, chain 1, back loop, and all the way down. Then it's a single crochet row, and then it's the wrap row. So you just keep repeating those rows. It's the repeat is the half double crochet, the back loop double crochet, chain 1 and skip 1. Then it's a single crochet. Then it's the you're wrapping around the posts. So you just keep repeating them and repeating them to get the length that you want. This is a perfect scarf, perfect blanket. It's a perfect, you can make a shawl out of this. You can make whatever you want out of this. And this is the perfect pattern to do this. It is textured for those tactile children. And both sides look so pretty. Like, I'll give you a better, like here's the back. Look at that. Versus the front. So, my name is Ronnie. I work with Maggie and Lauren to bring you these beautiful crochet tutorials. We will be bringing so many more. This is the Winter Snuggles pattern. Until next time, here at Whip and Chain, it's always a work in progress. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to share, comment, and like, and hit that subscribe button. It helps us to help keep bringing you more beautiful tutorials. Bye, everybody.